Craving those Chick-fil-A nuggets, but your wallet's feeling light. Today, we're tackling the ultimate question: can you use your Chick-fil-A gift card to satisfy that craving through Uber Eats? Let's get straight to the point. Unfortunately, Uber Eats doesn't directly accept Chick-fil-A gift cards as a payment method. Uber Eats operates as a third-party delivery platform and typically only accepts major credit cards, debit cards, Uber Cash, PayPal, and sometimes other digital wallets. But don't lose hope just yet. There are a couple of clever workarounds you might consider. The first, and probably simplest, is to use your Chick-fil-A gift card to purchase a regular Uber gift card. Many grocery stores or online retailers sell Uber gift cards. Use the Chick-fil-A gift card to buy the Uber gift card, which can then be uploaded to your Uber Eats wallet. Another option, use your Chick-fil-A gift card at a physical Chick-fil-A restaurant. Enjoy your meal there, or order takeout. While it doesn't directly solve your Uber Eats dilemma, it's a guaranteed way to use that gift card and still enjoy your favorite Chick-fil-A treats. Finally, explore ordering directly from the Chick-fil-A app. Many locations now offer their own delivery or in-store pickup options, allowing you to use your gift card seamlessly without involving Uber Eats. So, while a direct route might not exist, a little creativity can still get you your Chick-fil-A fix. Hopefully, this helped you find a workaround. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more gift card hacks and budget-friendly tips.